Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at Jeepsterman. Today we're talking about one of the emblems. This is exclusively made by Jeepsterman, high quality chrome. This is the four-wheel drive emblem that you see on the Willys station wagon and the Willys trucks, the four-wheel drive vehicles, obviously. We sell these in a pair. We've been making these things for a year. Very, very nice quality. They also come with the hardware with the clips on the back, so you can secure those on their hood. Very easy to install. You can find these on page 224 in our catalog. The part number for these is 672745. It's a very hot selling item. Price for these, really, in my opinion, is reasonably priced. You're right around $46 for those. You got any questions for these? sales@thejeepsterman.com. You can email us there. You can call us 314-798-6462. You can also find these on the website, thejeepsterman.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page if you want to follow some more of our videos. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep restoration parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.